I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com on Thursday, April 19th, and I want to look at Microsoft here today. This is why. The company announced earnings better than expected, less than in last year at this time, but still better than expected, and the stock popped up. So what are you going to do with the stock? I think what happens a lot of times is traders get the can't help it. They got to buy right at the open. What I'm telling you is not to do that. I haven't even looked at the earnings report. It would be impossible for me to care less what their earnings report says. Conference call? No. What I know is this. There are levels. Let's look and see where this prior resistance was. Big resistance here. And then we got a breakdown. Fell all the way down to here. So these were really two boxes. And now where's the stock? It's back up at this level, above the 50-day moving average, above Thursday's intraday high. Time to buy it. The problem is that now we're just getting into the house of pain here. We're just getting into that level at which a lot of folks bought back in March, and they're going to be looking to sell. They're going to be looking to sell essentially to get their money back. And also the folks that started buying here, why were they buying? Just because, oh, they were feeling a little saucy here in the early part of April? No, they were buying in anticipation of these numbers. They're going to be selling as well. Might there be a chance that Microsoft could keep going higher? Sure, and pigs could fly out of my hind end as well. The deal is this. You've got this solid resistance here. Tomorrow is Friday, expiration Friday, options expire, then we've got 2 whole days to sit around and fret about things, and then next week we start a whole new trading week. So what I'm saying is, instead of, and I talk a lot about risk, about managing your positions, making sure you're not taking on too much risk and all that kind of stuff. Today I'm just talking about reward. If you buy the stock at this level right here, tomorrow, where is your reward? Where's your reward? Do you really think the stock is going to continue to move higher? Now again, it may. So I'm not predicting here. All I'm saying is that there's a strong ceiling right about here from these two levels of resistance. So do you have to buy on Friday in order to make sure you don't miss this massive move to 35? I would say no, that's not a trade you need to make. I would suggest just standing aside. I wouldn't short the stock. That's not what I'm saying. I'm not talking about shorting here. I'm just talking about, do you want to buy Microsoft into a strong number? I wouldn't do it. Okay, members, get to the strategy session and I'll tell you what you need to do.